What you know?
L's on the beat.
Our story is the greatest. Own up, I'm sorta hit it. All this premeditated. The sorry is what they're saying. We was grinding, we was pushing. How much they gotta pay? Thunderstorms pouring, raining. Sorry is what they're saying.
Yo, every rhyme scheme is like a timeless dream. Where the fun go, you was just behind the team. Where the love go, talking shit behind the scenes. But I see right through the facade, it's looking like a mirage. They say we from the future, should've seen it coming. And they thought it's about the speed, you should've seen them running. What a dream, what a day, what a night. Feeling right, got my blood in the scythe, now where's the light? I can sing and make you feel like the dawn's arrived, or I can spit and make you feel what you lost inside. We thought the youngin' had wings, cause he talking fly. When the shit break down, no one wanna ride.
Story is the greatest. Own up, I'm sorta hit it. All this premeditated. The sorry is what they're saying. We was grinding, we was pushing. How much they gotta pay? Thunderstorms pouring, raining. Sorry is what they're saying.
Ain't saying I showed niggas ropes, but I gave them hope. I gave you niggas rated, and I gave you hope. So piss on me, shit on me, spit on my grave. Talk about me, laugh behind my back, but in my face, y'all some fake ass niggas. Hashtag Twitter, I'm Jesus as a nigga. My last supper, my last picture in AC. Getting my dick shaved in short stays. Then she suck it after the boss way. No cost paid. Shit. Fake love feel like real love. Shit. And real love feel like real love. Shit. What y'all think we went through this pain for? Nigga, it's not enough homies to pay y'all. That's life, this is season of the graveyards. Hat bent like a knife, ready to play ball. Shit, the second coming, better say Lord, pray hard. Going time laid off, what you say, God?
Story is the greatest. Own up, I'm sorta hit it. All this premeditated. The sorry is what they're saying. We was grinding, we was pushing. How much they gotta pay? Thunderstorms pouring, raining. Sorry is what they're saying.
Yo, it is what it is. Y'all ain't never lived how I lived. Saw what I saw, did what I did. Most of the girls I grew up with had a kid as a kid. Most of guys doing bit after bit, moving crib after crib. Mom stressing, smoking cig after cig. I'm just trying to be big after big. We built this piece by piece and brick by brick, stitch by stitch, champion, chip by chip. Fucking bitches, friend by friend, click by click, getting closer to a million, flip by flip. I take trips on trips and then zip to zip. Watch the Henny get lower like sip by sip.
Story is the greatest. Own up, I'm sorta hit it. All this premeditated. The sorry is what they're saying. We was grinding, we was pushing. How much they gotta pay? Thunderstorms pouring, raining. Sorry is what they're saying.
Yo, this is not a diss, I'm just speaking out. Cause I tried to talk, I was reaching out. What's the beef about? He feels we leave him out. Could've hit my phone instead of tweeting out. Running and coming up with the squad. This shit is too deep, I had conversations with God. Spent so many nights staring at that line. A different type of pain, never will the grind stop. In the room dreaming of a pond box with someone who's dying from it, and they know that I'm not. Damn, they don't even know what I've been through. Damn, it's my physical, it's my mental. Damn, mom's birthday, but she working overtime. Damn, and they wonder why I go and grind. Gotta get it, cause trust, I've been broke before. I'm still paranoid for when they broke the door.
Story is the greatest. Own up, I'm sorta hit it. All this premeditated. The sorry is what they're saying. We was grinding, we was pushing. How much they gotta pay? Thunderstorms pouring, raining. Sorry is what they're saying.